Good morning. Welcome to my last day in Park City and last day probably on the snow till I get home. I'm going to go ride this morning, get some turns in, see if I can find some nice pow, and hopefully have another great powder day. And then I'll start driving this afternoon and see how far I get. It's about 1,600 kilometers to get home, so it should take me a couple days. We'll see if the weather cooperates. I'm in no rush. Anyways, I'm going to get out and hit the slopes. Krusty. Still some pretty deep sections there.
Got a little drop right there.
Looks like it.
You go first.
It could have been a lot worse. Landed on my ass, bounced off that rock, and then it was all sketchy on the landing. This is Dave from San Diego. Say hi, Dave. Just spent the morning riding with him, and now he's got to go meet the fam, and I've got to start my long journey back to Vancouver. So hope you've enjoyed that little powder experience over the last few days, and now we'll hit the road. All right, back in the camper, gonna change up and get ready to hit the road. That was a fun couple of days. Unfortunately, pretty busy getting on the lift first thing in the morning, but it's also a holiday week. Hope you had a good time with all that pow. Well, against all odds, I've made it home. Not only I made it home, but the camper made it home. The truck made it home. The truck is definitely worse for wear. It's won't shift at a 4x4 at grinding and clunking, and so there's a burning oil smell, and it seems to stall when I drive for a long time. But I actually got home, so I got an appointment at the shop. Hopefully nothing too expensive, but I'm sure it won't be cheap. So the only thing left is to empty my camper of all my junk and, of course, actually get it off the truck without disaster. I'm hoping it'll go smoothly, no wind, so I gotta get it off today. There's big snow apparently coming tomorrow, so I gotta get it unloaded. Hopefully there won't be any drama. Well, against all odds, it's off the truck and resting on the sawhorses. What an adventure. Man, I can't believe everything made it back. Almost in one piece. I hope you guys enjoyed that trip. So now I'm going to take a break and I'm going to have to head back to work soon. Thanks for joining me on the Mexico USA adventure. And stay tuned for what's next. Be sure to like and subscribe.